Color Change here in St. Louis. I'm with my brothers.
My name is Terrence Beverly.
I'm Trapper Dye.
What is important to make sure that we point out is that until the lions have their historians, the tales of the hunt will continue to glorify the hunter. We are here explicitly to tell the young lion story. All right, CNN, Fox News, MSNBC, and all of the mainstream media. There's only 6 corporations that control everything you see here and read. They got the story twisted. It's out of context, and we're here to put the story in proper context. The truth, right? First and foremost, we make no apologies for any of the actions of these young people that's been out here fighting the criminal injustice system inflicted upon them. All right?
That's right.
The riots are the voice of the unheard, as we was so eloquently remembering the words of Martin Luther King. We make no apologies of that, but we need to make sure that the record is told straight. The fact of the matter is, we have yet to see a white cop go to jail for the murder of an unarmed black person in the history of America.
Exactly.
We have
justice, no peace.
to see a white cop shoot a white kid with a toy gun. All right? We have yet to see a black cop shoot an unarmed white youth for anything. All right? So these young people are valuable. Black Lives Matter, and we're here to tell their stories. So please, let the world know what's going on. We're going to start with you right here, brother. What do you got to say to this?
All I got to say is there's gonna be no justice, there's no peace. It's time, we're tired, man. We see we out here in the cold right now. We want unity. We want unity in our community. We want everything to go right. We want what we need out here, and what we need is justice. No justice, no peace. And I'm a wolf. I'm here to say it. I'm staying out here. I'm here with my youth, and we not going nowhere. We tired of the bullshit, excuse my French. We tired of it, man.
That's right.
We tired. In that order, man. From the county to the city. Everybody out here, man. No justice, no peace. In that order.
Hey, we started with 4 people. We started with 4. Now we got the cameras on us. They just came and rolled down on us like we were animals in the middle of the street, ready to lock us all up for doing something that we are doing peacefully. I protested in Ferguson last night for 6 hours without looting, without burning anything, without doing anything, any random acts of violence, as they say on the media. The media is full of it. They are not just for us. They are not just for us. And it's not just for the African American community. It's for the Arabs. It's for the white. It's for the Germans. It's for everybody that's getting this backlash of whatever it is that's going down with these police. They free case us. They lock us up. They ain't trying to give us nothing to fight for, to fend for. We have nothing to fend for. We can't fend for ourselves because half of us can't afford what they have to afford. And I'm speaking for my people. No justice, no peace. My hands up.
I want to make this point very clear. We just got accosted by a small team of jump outs. One of them was in a Cadillac Escalade, jumped out on these young people who were simply organizing themselves, organizing their community. And what did the police do in that Cadillac Escalade in an impoverished community? They are trying to break their spirit, all right? They are trying to put them back in their place. That's what this is about. Big T, talk to him.
I'm gonna get them something real right now, because the origin of police, if anybody know, came from the slave owners to protect their property. Meaning slaves, meaning they land, all of that. So that's what the police always stood for property, for all that. Why you think they over there with all these businesses? They protecting them. They ain't protecting the people. They never fuck about us. Second of all, y'all know y'all 4th Amendment, right? Learn that. Learn your First Amendment. Yes. Learn all your amendments. Even the ones they ain't supposed to tax nobody. That's even in the Bible. You ain't supposed to tax nobody.
Tell them where we at, son.
We in St. Louis. We on the south side.
What happened right here?
We on 3rd
What happened right here?
Right here. Your brother been slain. Coming from the stove.
What's his name?
Coming from the stove. It shouldn't even matter what his name is. He was a young man.
Young black man.
That's all that matters.
Young black man.
We shouldn't worry about no names
And then what made it so
everywhere.
bad? Murder was
Derek
unjust.
Myers was
Another
slain
unjust
right
murder.
Derek Myers.
Another
How many
thing.
times was he shot?
He was shot 16 times. Right here. Please get that for the
They give
camera.
us nothing to
16
protect
times.
ourselves. They're not
This is his
protecting us.
memorial.
They're supposed to protect
This
the
is not
served.
just for Michael
They're
Brown, this is
protecting
for
their
all
own.
the people.
They're protecting.
This is for all the people of the south side of St. Louis or of the state of Missouri. This is for all the people over the United States of America. This is for all the people that's happening to all over the country.
We ain't scared no more. That's all I gotta say. We ain't scared no more.
As one,
Fuck
we're not
the
gonna
police.
stop. We gonna stay here.
I say my group
Rain,
called
sleet,
swag.
snow, and
Cause
sun,
we
baby.
surviving wherever
Hands up,
America
don't
got
shoot.
going. That's swag.
That's all I gotta say.
That's what it is.
What this community needs, what this world needs, is a radical police reform. We need to have a legitimate citizen review board with power to indict and fire police for their misconduct inflicted upon the communities that they allegedly are supposed to serve. We need to require that a significant number of the police that work in this community live in this community. We need to demand that any officer that causes the loss of life of any person who is unarmed or otherwise innocent to be immediately fired and arrested. That's what we need. And until we get that, Barack Obama, Attorney General Eric Holder, or any of the other badge carrying MFs don't mean nothing. Al Sharpton don't mean nothing. Jesse Jackson don't mean nothing. These young people mean something. Because there's no movement without the young people. And instead of applauding the efforts of the young people, they are continually criminalizing the young people. Because this whole system is built upon the misery and incarceration and slave labor of black people. And until we change that narrative, it's going to be more of the same. And that is what these people out here fighting for. They are trying to crush their spirit. They're trying to stop a rebellion, but they can't do it with the cameras running.
This is a tyranny
They can't
state.
do it with the cameras running.
This is a tyranny state.
They're showing you what they do with the cameras on. What do you think they do when the cameras are off? CNN, the Conservative News Network, Fox News, Rupert Murdoch, all these badge carrying people that support them. How much money did Darren Wilson get? How much money did they get this man?
A couple $1 million.
He ain't got married.
We went to Hawaii.
This man is on his honeymoon and Mike Brown is in the ground. This brother right here they shot 16 times is in the ground. And there's nobody to answer for them. Why? Because to them black lives don't matter. And we're here to say this is our line in the dirt that black lives matter. Everybody's life should matter. And we're here and we're going to stay here until the truth come out or until these people get justice. That's what it's about. We Act Radio. Do something. Color of change. Talk to him, man.
Listen,
DC,
we cannot
stand up.
forget. We
LA,
cannot
stand
forget
up.
the man that was gunned
Stand
down,
up. New York.
shot
New
6
York,
times
stand up.
for coming at an
Chicago,
officer
stand
with a
up.
knife right there on McLaurin and Riverview.
Cleveland,
Correct?
stand
We cannot
up.
forget about him.
Cincinnati,
You are
stand
not
up.
forgotten. Your family is not forgotten. We will be there to represent you. We will be anywhere, everywhere, however we get there to represent the rightness of the people. The rightness, the right cause.
Call my line, 314-000.
You know what they say? He who live with the sword
unjust.
shall be killed with the sword. He who lead in the captivity shall be led in the captivity. This is the faith and the praises of the saints. Know that.
This is unjust, man. Shout out to my family. I'm doing this for a purpose. No violence, man. No justice, no peace. Not going nowhere, man. We staying here, man. We're not going nowhere. We tired, man.
We're out
Straight
here
up,
with Mr.
we
Freeman
tired.
on the south side city of St. Louis. A lot of people from the city of St. Louis went out there to Ferguson. A lot of people from out of town came and they did their thing out there. Of course, the burnings and the looting.
Out of anger.
Of course, it was out of
anger.
and
Why? Because it's
anticipation.
unjust.
Because we all waited. We all waited by them
tired.
televisions. We all waited to see what that verdict would have been. And
Tired.
we pretty much knew because it took so long.
Why the fuck
They
they
just-
released the verdict at 8 o'clock at night?
8 o'clock.
Because
is
they
right.
wanted it. They wanted the fires to happen.
They
They
are
wanted the
personally
looting to
Set
happen.
up
for what
set up.
happened.
They
They
want
are
us to destroy
personally
our
responsible.
community, so they have no choice but to try to venture out and try something else, so they can try to kill us.
They
so
knew-
they can't try to box us in.
They knew-
You're not stopping nothing. I don't give
Prosecutor
a fuck
need to
if
be
you come with
charged with
100,000 of
inciting a
y'all.
riot.
We
Prosecutor
heard
need
it.
to be fined
We
and
heard.
arrested for inciting a riot because he had released it at night for the explicit purpose to get the reaction that he got. He wanted this, so we gave him what he wanted, and now he should pay the price.
Honestly, last night there were, I want to say, 2 reports of incidents of violence. There was just burnings and looting. There was no violence. I was there for 6 hours. There was no violence in Ferguson. I sat there. I saw, of course, they shot their guns and their firearms, and it was out of anger, of course. I'm pretty sure it was out of whatever they were doing to get their point across, to be heard. And if through shooting a firearm was the way of getting heard, to get a point across, that's what they did. But no one on West Florissant Avenue or Canfield was shot. No, was it behind it? Maybe, possibly, but I don't know. We don't know. That's something else that had happened. But outside of that, the businesses that was burned, that was acts of the young youth that don't really know any better. I would call it ignorance. But we are here and we're not.
But that's what they want.
Tolerating
they want
the ignorance.
They're not showing us no equality. They're not treating us humanly. They're not giving us no humanity. So why should we act like a human? Why should we act like the regular pedestrians?
All races, all Caucasian people as well that's out here protesting with the African American people right here. We unite. Like the gangs reunited yesterday, or united, the black and whites are uniting today. We are one. We are equality. That's all we ask for. That's all we ask for. Them bringing jobs here and not really giving a person that has a messed up record or felony conviction. They still don't give us the jobs that they say that they're gonna give us. We don't get that. We don't get the chances or opportunities. We were forced into this way of living. We were in bondage for over 400 years. We were in bondage for over 400 years.
No justice,
and
no peace.
With being in bondage and coming down in history, we understand that there's only one way we know how to act, and that's the way that we have acted. And that's the way our young people have acted, and the people after us will act. But we're gonna be here to show justice. We're gonna be here to be peaceful and represent.